I missing? I'm missing something here. Hold on. Where? It's 1, 2. What am I missing? Oh, right here. 3, 4. Okay, got them. Sorry,
1, 2, 3, 4.
some of my windows were missing. There we go. Real quick, want to thank my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, Mountain Man, Juan Gilly, and Diesel Dan. Thank all of you. Thank you to all my military family and all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world.
Wah, wah.
Thank you. I'll take it. Good enough. Thank you. There it is. Yay.
Honk, honk.
Appreciate you. All right, it's now 9:01. We should be going live on all the things. Moderators, let me know.
Wah, wah.
Thank you. I'll take it. Good.
TikTok's up.
Thank you.
And Coach, I'm Nunya on TikTok.
Oh, is this James?
Yes, sir.
All right, let me type in something. There it is. I see it. Hold on. All right, you're a moderator now, James.
Thank you, sir.
Yep, thank you. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibilities.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations, James.
All right. Yes, moderator on social media. I've added it. Added it. Added it. Okay.
Respect my authority.
You go, James.
Okay, I think we are all up and running. About to have another amazing day today. If you guys want to join us, go to American Dream Trading. That's our website. Click on, click here for all of our memberships. Big old giant button right there in your face. Can't miss it. It's waiting for you. It's waiting for you. One of my members whose name shall not be mentioned, like Voldemort, is he's over $300,000 so far this morning. Not bad. Not bad for another day at the office here at American Dream Trading. Am I right?
Absolutely.
Anybody else like to make $307,410.20 before the market opens today?
I'll take it.
All right.
I will take it.
Sold.
You insist, Coach.
Sold.
Would like
Sold.
So,
Sold. Done. Nice job.
to my cash app.
There it is. Done. Can you believe that once upon a time, 3 years ago, this person was working a regular crappy 9-to-5 job until he discovered American Dream Trading one day on the TikToks you don't stops? Can you believe it? How different life must be from then until now. Am I right?
That's unreal.
It's absolutely amazing. Love it. All right, let me clear off the screen. As you may or may not know, first thing I want you to always do is mark pre-market high, low, previous day high, low. That's how we're going to start. Let's do it right here. We're going to do it with SPY. We're going to all do it together. Togetherness. Okay? Is everybody ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, here we go. Here we go. Ready? Let's see how long it takes for you to do one of the most simplistic things that I have set up for you to do. Ready and go. There's previous day high, previous day low, pre-market high, pre-market low, and I'm done. That's it. Thank you. Have a good night.
Goodbye, y'all, coach.
All papers.
That's it. Right there. Boom! That's how we do it. All right. Let's mark out the next one. Excuse me. All right, let's do Apple together. Togetherness, okay? This is how long it should seriously take you to do this. Now, obviously, I've got a couple cheat codes because using my handy dandy Logitech G502X mouse with macro keys set up right here for the horizontal lines, I can make it a little bit faster for myself, right? All right, is everybody ready? Feel like a gunslinger. Is everybody ready? Put your hands on your weapons. Are we all ready? And go. Bam, 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 bam. Done. That's it. That'll do it right there. Boom. Woo! Huh? Nobody in the Wild West charts as fast as I do.
Top each.
Come on, we got.
Shakiest gun in the West.
That's right. The fastest mouse.
You're a quick shutter.
Yes. Yes. All right. Which one do we want to do next? We got time for one more. One more. Whew. What are we doing? Call it out.
Let's do a Tesla.
Tesla. All right. Going for a hard one. Okay.
Ooh.
Here we go. Tesla could be a bit tricky. All right. Let's see what we got. First, let's clear all of our lines. Clear.
Cleared all of one line. And he gets the fingers ready.
Setting up.
Fingers approaching keyboard.
Setting
Recording
up.
in progress.
Setting up.
Shh, everybody. He's got his eyes on the keyboard.
Drum roll.
And go. Done. Bam. That's what I'm talking about. You see that? That's why I get paid the big bucks. So all of you that are like, oh, but I have to do 3 charts. Okay, stop it. That's 15 seconds. You understand me? Just like that. Done. Nobody charts like that. Nobody. Good job, everybody. Nice work. Did everybody follow along and do it with me?
Yes, we did.
Was anybody fast at doing it? Was anybody accurate, close, fast? Got your speed down?
I was 0 seconds, coach, because I got it on my trading view indicators.
I was about to say, coach, I cheated. I just used my coach's indicators, you know.
I
Well,
had Bruno's in there.
you guys hear that? If you guys have the American Dream Trading View indicators,
Well, how
You
do they
too.
get those, Coach?
they can go over to American Dream Trading, our website, sign up, get your VIP or futures or diamond membership included with those 3 membership services. Get them today. Do it. Do it now. Can all get signed up. That would be
I was a little
great.
behind, coach, because is there a hyphen after the pre and before market?
No. No hyphenateds. Unless you've had your coffee. Then you can hyphenate all you want. All right.
But then when you be hypernated,
Ark.
Don't be a Richard, Don.
No,
Come on,
Don.
don't steal my
No,
show.
no.
Listen, we'll be here all
Just no.
week. Next week. Listen.
You liked it.
Yeah, that was amazing. Show your support and get those super chats going over on the YouTubes. Oh, don't let me forget today before I leave. We're going to be going in and reviewing all comments for YouTube videos today. Don't let me forget that before we leave. I'm going to set a reminder right now. Hold on a minute. Hold on one sec.
Siri, set a reminder.
Exactly. Set a reminder for 10:15 to go over the YouTube comments. Thank you. All right. Actually, let me set an alarm because that damn thing's going to pop up and I won't even know that thing happened. We'll be too busy in here making that cash money dollar. Set an alarm for 10:15. Done. All right. We're ready to dance. Thank you, everybody, for being here on this amazing Friday. It is October 17th. Hold on, Bruno. I'm going to try to set this to record local.
Recording stopped.
Which it should have, but let me see.
Recording in progress.
There we go. So moderators, that should go local, which should automatically upload to our main system. We'll see today, all right? There's James right there with the first super chat of the day. Boom! Yes. Oosh! James says, ready for the best day ever, coach. ADT for the win. I appreciate you, James. Blake says, love to see your face, coach. Thanks for helping me pay my bills this month with your training, empathy for your community members, and raising money, and for showing up for all of us daily. Thank you. I appreciate you, Blake.
Love,
good,
coach.
Yeah, good job, man. You're really crushing it over there lately, huh?
I am. Thank you.
I love it. I love it, 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 love it. I see everybody is rolling in. Again, you can join us for absolutely free, either with our community or get your 1-week trial membership to our premium. Actually, let me show you. I think it's a little bit easier when I show you. Hold on, let me make sure this is the right one. It doesn't do a whole lot of good if I'm showing you the wrong things. Hold on a minute. Is that it? Nope. Is that it? Nope. Is that it? Nope. Is that is that it? Nope. Hey, is that it? Yes. Yay! Yay! Yay, yay, yay. Here we go. There it is. There's our website. Everybody go to American Dream Trading right here. Click here to see all memberships. See this big, giant, can't miss it, golden click here to see all memberships. Okay, right here. Free Discord right there. Bang. See it? Free. Free. You want to get into our premium membership right here for a week for free? Boom, right there. See it? 7-day trial. Free. Sign up for a year. Save a ton of money. Do what you want. Free for 7 days. You want to join futures? Free. 7 days right there. Done. You want to buy a lifetime? 4K. Let's see. VIP right here. This is the one I would start with if I were all of you. Now, this is $500 a month. Obviously, it's a little bit pricey because we're working with you 12 hours a day, right? 4 a.m. to 4 p.m., you get all sorts of stuff with a VIP membership. If you look down here, right, access to exclusive VIP channels and events, engage in workshops, trading view indicators, hot stock picks, pre-market setups, all sorts of stuff. And there's more than that. There's tons of stuff with the VIP. Otherwise, 5K, lifetime membership. Now, if you're feeling really spunky today and you want to get the best of the best, get the Diamond. Diamond is everything we have to offer. All of our membership services right here, 5K, which is the cost of one of my memberships for a lifetime. You can get today 5K, everything right there. That's the one you're looking for. But again, if you guys just want to try this out for free, knock yourselves out. Okay. We are top rated, obviously, in sales and service. We are the leading stock market trading company and community, as far as I know, in the world, definitely in the country. So I appreciate all of you spending time to be here with us. Love your faces. I appreciate each and every one of you who take out time out of your day to watch what we're doing over here. So thank you again. I appreciate it. I'm new to trading. I would really like to learn and change my life. Where do I start? We just went through that. Go to American Dream Trading. That's my website. Click on the giant button. Join now. Do it. Do it now. It's absolutely free. Get started. Make sure you verify your accounts when you come over here. When you join our Discord, if you do not verify your account, you will be kicked off the system. We don't do bots. Okay? We don't do bots over here. This is real. We have about 24,000 plus members in our community. About 12,000 active. Typically on an average day, we'll have between 350 and 550 between our Zoom channels of people that are being trained live. Do you offer swing trading training? Yes, we do. We do everything here. Swing trading, day trading, scalping, long-term investments, name it, we do it. Stocks, options, futures, and crypto. We are the only community, by the way, that I know that does everything. We have hundreds of millions of dollars, by the way, in profits for our members. We are the only ones that can say that. Now, don't come at me with receipts. These are just screenshots, things that our members are reporting to us. I'm not asking people for tax and accountant statements and all this stuff. If I was going to write a book or I had to put something publicly out there, I would then ask permission and we would have to see those, right, to prove what we're saying, right? But right now, as reported by my members, we're clearly over $300 million in profits right now. Hell, I've got a member this morning that's already made over 300,000 today, right? I've got members everywhere from so far about 60 million in profits. I've got 60s, a couple 30s. I got one now that's over 12. Another one was 15. One was at 23. I mean, you see how fast these numbers add up, right? It's like tick, 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 tick. We're the only community that I know of, by the way, in history and right now with members doing what we're doing. As reported by our members, not verified, so don't come at me. What's your student success percentage? Nobody knows that. Nobody would know that. Nobody knows that. But anyways, welcome over here, crypto. We appreciate seeing you. You've never seen anything like this before. This is an actual corporation. We have 20 moderators standing by, full help desk support, right? We are one of the largest and fastest growing stock market education companies in the world, right? We have been crushing it since we've been here. I've been live every day for over 3 years straight. We are live 3 times a day, by the way, 9 to 11. That's me. Trading stocks and options. Now, I've been doing a lot of futures in front of you, but I've just been calling out the stocks, right? Stocks and options. And then Mark comes in 2 to 4, who's training and trading live for futures. And then we have Dawn as a cleanup over there in the aftermarket, 4 o'clock every single day. So we're live 3 times a day. We have more free material than anybody else. We have no I'm just going to be honest. We have no competition in this space. Zero, zilch. Nobody does what we do. Nobody's creating millionaires constantly left and right. On average, we've created a new millionaire almost every other month. Let that sink in for a minute. right? I've got another one on his way. David, our training moderator, his last count was $910,000 since joining us. Okay. So he will be our 15th. It's coming soon, I'm sure. Oh, nice job. Good to have you. And Jill says, traded with you yesterday morning. First time. Nice. First time. It was great. Thank you. Appreciate you being here. Thank you, everybody. Now,
Coach?
remember. Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, well, you got another super chat on YouTube from Chad H.
Chad H. Let me look. Chad H says, thank you, coach and moderators. This week has been my best week yet. I'm up 41.93% total account this week. Wow. Yes.
Yes, Chad's
Yes.
been crushing it, coach.
Woo! Great job. Chad H is also a diamond member. Funny how that works out, right? Love it. Mr. Cayley says, I joined the free class. Okay, awesome. Good, good. Been following you for 3 years. Truly has changed my trading and my life. Oh, thank you, Rob. I appreciate that. Mark over there. Mark's in the house. Good to see you, Mark, over there. Appreciate you. Don't forget again, gang. We got about 8 minutes. If you want to join us, go to our website, American Dream Trading. Go, 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 go. Just Sell It says, thanks, coach from Canada. Absolutely. I appreciate you being here. By the way, we are worldwide. We do have people from all walks of life and all places, all regions. Appreciate each and every one of you being here. You guys are all rock stars. Now, listen, real quick, before we get crazy. Yes, I made him a mod over there, Mark. Yep. I tell everyone to follow you. Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Appreciate you. Thank you. If you guys would do me a favor, right, while I'm going over my spiel, if you guys would post over on X and you can tag me at ADT for American Dream Trading, coach at ADT Coach. Say something nice about American Dream Trading. That'd be great. If you guys are over on Facebook, LinkedIn, MySpace, Craigslist, OF, whatever you're on, please post something nice about us. That would be great. Let the world know where you're getting all of this training information. Now, again, about 10:15, I'm going to be reading comments from our YouTube area. Who knows? Maybe we'll do some fun stuff. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Say no more. Maybe we'll do some fun stuff out of those comments that you're leaving for all of our YouTube videos right now. I don't know. Maybe. I just started trading penny stocks last month and I'm up $100. Any tips? Yeah, absolutely. If you're new to trading, don't use any real money. Join us for free. Get trained up before you trade, right? We want more training, less trading, so you don't blow up your accounts, right? And work. Now, here are the rules that are also going to help you. Follow these rules to a T. Do not break these rules. They're not for you to break, right? Okay. Just making sure everything's working okay. Make sure you follow all these rules. Never lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value ever in any given day. If you have 2 red trading days in a row, go ahead and take the next 30 days off using real money. You're not ready, right? We need to look at what is going on. If you're new to trading or while in training, do not use real money. Simulated accounts only, right? Because everything we do is for training and education purposes only, not to blow up your accounts. Make sure you have stop losses on each and every trade. I don't care what the little fake kids that don't make any money and the furus and gurus tell you. Make sure you have stop losses on each and every trade, regardless of shares, options, crypto, or futures. This will help protect you and preserve your accounts. Make sure you guys journal each and every single day. I want you guys journaling every day. This will help you get into your right mindset and find out what's going on, what could be holding you back, what do we need to do, right? Was it a good trade? Was it not? Did I stay in long enough? Did I not, right? Moderators, you need to let me know too. All of you are supposed to be using, I think what needs to happen, Bruno, you guys need to have an actual Zoom session with moderators. I want you to open the journal. I want you to use it in front of each other's face. I want you to walk through it. Does it work? Is there enough room to write or type in spaces? Should they be bigger? Should they not? right? Is the flow right? When they click a link, does it go right to the next page? How does it look to everybody? Do they have issues opening it? Who can open it? Who cannot? You should have a Zoom meeting just for the journal so we can get that thing released. That'd be great. Thanks. Okay, so journal, everybody, every single day. Remember, also start with shares. Don't just go jumping into options or futures, right? You want to start with shares. I highly recommend looking at Ford or Apple, right? We want something that moves a little slower pace, something that's not ridiculous. I always recommend, only looking at like 1 to 3 different stocks per day. That'll help you keep your mind focused on what you're doing instead of bouncing all over the place, right? What else? What else? I'm missing. Do not trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day if you're a new trader. If you're an experienced trader, watch the first 3 minutes and the last 8 minutes of the day, right? Here at American Dream Trading, we want to help you, right, by using proper risk management. It's critical. Issy says, I want to give a shout out to Coach and our moderators for keeping the ADT community as incredible as it is. Thank you, Issy. We appreciate the super chats over on YouTube. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you very much. Glad I came across your live. Absolutely. I'm so glad to be here. Thank you for spending time with me. Listen, if you can't watch the show, just put in your headphones, your AirPods, whatever you have. If you're at work, right, you can still listen to us like a podcast. You'll see everything that's going on. Now, the first 30 minutes are going to be fast and furious, right? That's because that's the most volatile time of the market. So you'll hear a lot of call outs and 2-minute EWOs, which is a strategy that I have designed and developed after 33 years in the market. So you're going to hear a lot of things and buzzwords, right? We try to keep all of the nonsense. I was watching a kid last night, just trying to use every buzzword in the book. Right? We got to stop that. I really wish these kids would stop. It's just ridiculous. Anyways, we will teach you, right? The things that we do here, right? It's just like when I coached football and baseball and other sports is KISS. Keep it simple and stupid. That is the idea, right? Now, that doesn't mean that they are basic or weak, right? It just means it needs to be repeatable. It needs to be easy to master, right? Well, easier to learn, hard to master, obviously, but you get what I'm saying. It needs to be where we can all work on it in simplistic forms, right? That's why we don't use, fear indicators, right? You're always hearing about RSI and MACDs and all this other crap. Those are fear indicators. Those keep you out of trades when you should actually be in the trades. You'll never hear me talking about Fibonacci retracements. I don't have to use any of this trash. I've been doing this for a very long time. By the way, if this is your first time being here, my name is Chad, aka the Coach. I have trained over 1 million people, just like yourselves, that are watching us right now. Okay? If you've never traded a day in your life, you're in the right spot. If you're a 100 millionaire trader, you're in the right spot. I will show you how to get better. Right? It doesn't matter. All walks of life. 50 years experience coming from Wall Street, fine. You're in the right place, and we have that. You are in the right place at the right time. If you want to change your life, this is it. Okay? So we have some of the best training moderators in the world that have been trained personally by myself. Most of them self-made millionaires. 12 out of the 14 had never traded ever a day in their lives. This is what we do here, right? We create new millionaires. We help you protect your assets while growing your portfolio. And we show you the ropes every step of the way. We have live open microphones. There's over 310 people in this room ready to crush it. Let's rock and roll, baby. Love your faces. Nobody go rogue on me today. All right, here we go. Let's rock and roll, baby. Let's get it done. Let's get it. Get it.
Bonjour, mes chéris.
Okay, good morning to you as well. There we go. There's $400. There's 500, 575, $600. Done. 600 bucks. First trade of the day. 5 seconds.
Holy crap.
That's it. Now I want you guys to think about this real quick. How many of you would like to just take, right, 600 bucks and you're done for the day? 600 bucks, right? That's it. We're done. You're done. Now you can just don't touch anything. And now you're ready to train. That's it, right? Am I right?
100%, coach.
sir.
Yeah, and I also want you to think about this. Now I'm trading futures. You guys, right? You would have did the same thing with SPY, right? If it runs up in the pre-market, what is it most likely going to do at the open?
Drop.
That's right. That's people selling off, collecting their money from the previous day. That is why the second it opened, bam, made my money. Just like that. Now, the crazy thing is, because we also train you on futures, you guys realize I did all of that with, is it two of these is $2,400. It took me $2,400 and I made $600 just like that. That's what it costed. That was it, right? Pulled back up to the 21. Boom. Now we could short it again till it shows us otherwise. Now you guys also know we've already marked everything out. I did that live in front of you. Your pre-market high, pre-market low, previous day high, and previous day low. We'll also use those as major key areas of support and or resistance. Yes, they will matter. We use the VWAP, the 200. Those are the two strongest indicators. That's why they're the only ones that you will typically see on my chart. Besides a couple of EMAs, the 9 and the 21. VWAP is your strongest indicator. The 200 MA is second. We scalp off the 9 and the 21 usually in the room, or we look for breakouts and support and resistance areas. A-plus setups are what you're looking for. So if you're looking for a single setup, we're going to be looking for double tops, double bottoms. Those are two of the most highly statistical trades with a tight stop just on the other side of them. So if you're on the top and you're going to short it, you'll have your stop just on the other side. Make sure with SPY you have about a 20 to 40 cent variance. Apple is going to be about 15 to 25 cents, right? Give or take. You want to have that little bit of range in case it tries to wick through, right? And then pull back, et cetera, et cetera. And we're going to do the same thing. If we're down on a double bottom, we're going to look for a bounce, meaning we're going to go long. You can buy call options or go long, or of course buy shares. And then you're going to have your stop just below it. Okay, great. Those are our A-plus setups. If you guys hear any 2-minute EWOs, let me know on the first indicator if you can. I know I've been rambling on this morning, but just trying to get it out there for everybody. So if you hear 2-minute EWOs, you'll know why.
Coach, you just gave people $20,000 worth of information right there in about 2 minutes.
Thank you, man. I appreciate you. Just have to remember to breathe. All right, here we go. SPY getting a little bit of a pop now right here. Nice, nice, nice. See if we're going to get a continuation of that pop. There it goes. Looking good. There's 100. I'll take it. Only collected about 50 bucks on that trade. The SPY's got a bigger move up here, up to about 661 will be that big old double top area. Everybody see it? Okay, good. I'm going to mark it now.
I see it, boss. It looks like it's just trying to fight to go green.
Yep, it's trying to get up there. We got about 10 cents away, right, before we're going from red to green. About 10 cents.
Yep.
You're watching this key critical area up here. Let me also get this set up. This is what we're watching for right up here on this top. Apple 2-minute EWO is to the upside. You are now in a 6-star trade to Apple. Just remember, it's been popping at the open and then it likes to pull back. So please be careful on those Apple entries, especially in the beginning. Remember, everybody, you can always add as it goes in your favor, but never when it's against you. Do not dollar cost average into a losing trade, only a winner. Make sure you guys are collecting as it goes. You guys can use the shedding technique, which is to take off 50%, 20, 20, 10, allowing the last runner to run as long as it is. Oh, there was that double top pullback I missed as I'm training. Try to get in a little dabble, do you? But damn, that was a nice setup. Damn it. There it is. Still made money. Not that much, 50 bucks. Would have made a lot of money up there in the top, though, wouldn't I? Pulled all the way back to the 9. Boom, right back up here on the top again. In this danger zone. Danger, danger. Remember up here in the double tops, or if you guys are shorting this, have your stop up in that higher area up there, right? Allowing this to work. This is obviously only for scalpers. Yeah, gold is tanking. Thank you for that, Mark. Yeah, gold is being crushed right now. If you guys see any hot stock picks, call them out. Any 2-minute EWOs on the first indicator, if you can, call them out. How we doing, gang? Everybody all right? We doing okay?
Crushing it today, Coach. Thanks.
Yep, thank you. Good job. Blake's over
Tesla's
here.
been on a steady move up.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Is it Friday yet?
It is. Oh, look at this. Yes. Shorting it. I should have caught it a little bit sooner, but that's okay. I'll move a tighter stop just because I did miss the original move. Yep. I should have hit it right here when as soon as it stalled. Boom, I should have hammered that thing. Okay, we're now going green, red to green. If and only if we can get a break and hold above this key area right here, then I'll long it. Otherwise, this is a short. Yes? Okay, cool.
Yeah, 660, 130.
Thank you. Let me flip this. Nice. Who got that short?
I am.
Anybody else?
Nailed it.
Thank you. Now
I'm
remember.
with you, boss.
Thank you. Now remember, I kicked your asses yesterday over that move, right?
100%.
And I bet you remembered it today, didn't you?
You got that response today, didn't you?
Yeah. I bet you they were paying
We're like,
attention
we're
to
not
that
doing that
trade
again.
now.
Set the precedent.
Yes. And look at the payoff.
Absolutely.
Yep.
Good job, gang.
Nice work. Wasn't that a perfect execution, A+ setup that I set you up for and discussed and told you again as a reminder of exactly what to do? Yes?
You straight called it.
Yes.
Yep.
Thank you, Coach.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Isn't that amazing? I mean, look how perfect
It
this
is.
trade is.
Cheat code.
Yeah,
You say it all the time.
I do.
Let's do it.
I look
It's
at
like
it.
when you say that Apple will pull back. 'cause
Yep.
It does that every morning. It just did.
Absolutely. Man, it's almost like we know what we're doing in here, right?
Yep.
Almost.
The sun is wearing you out.
Yeah, the sun, oh, you can see it. Yeah, it is. It's funny. I might have to actually get something over there.
Shades or blinds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the more trees I'm cutting down, the more sun's coming through here. My yard's looking great, but damn, I'm like, I'm melting. It's crushing my soul. I don't even need these studio lights on.
Go ahead, Don.
Coach, thank you. What? Well,
Me as a
I was
photographer, I'm
actually
looking.
about to say, Coach, thank you for that save on IWM because I have a line right where you said,
Yes.
because you know there's a lot of similarities with the way they run.
Correct.
And I'm like, yeah, there's a line right there on my screen too. And
Yep.
I did not get in that long. So thank you
Oh, nice. And you know how
for being that
easy,
reinforcement.
yeah, and you know how easy it is to get that FOMO?
Yeah,
You know,
it
you're
was
like,
climbing.
yeah, you're like, ooh, it's
Got a
climbing.
double bottom coming.
You're like,
Yeah.
no, you got a while for double bottom.
Yeah.
Today's open though was at 659.50, but anyways, yeah, it's one of those, you know, it's going up and up and up, and it was on the third candle green. You're like, oh, it's gonna just, no, it's not. Keep that crap. You better check yourself with that trash, right? Yep.
Check yourself before you wreck yourself.
Yep.
Yes. Yes.
Yep.
Oh, missed this. This is nice. Got a big old gap to the downside to fill here. This is nice. So nice. That's nice. Bye. Bye. Keep going. Come on, you got more. Come on. Yeah, that's it. Come on, more. That's it. I'll protect the trade there. Keep going. I'm giving you a lot of room. Don't stall on me and bounce. Just get out it. $50. If I got to take it $50 at a time, I'll do it, right? Whatever I got it's to do. All right, on our 2-minute EWO indicators, we are on the bottom of that channel. Everybody that has the 2-minute EWO indicators, do you see it? Doesn't mean it's not going to continue to drop, but I'm always mindful of that area, right? Okay, great.
Right, Coach. Thanks.
Yep.
Look at that. That bottom bounce.
Yep. Yeah, isn't that nice? Right off that bottom. Had a nice move down here.
Yeah.
Who's still in it from the top?
Yeah, I just sold it, so.
Yeah, good job. I'm just trying to see who's hanging in there or not, right?
Coach.
Yes.
I am.
Oh, good job. I love it, right? So we're going to use the 9 and or the 21 as your backbone, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And collect as it goes.
Yes, sir.
Yep, and collect as it goes. So if you had 10, take off half on them pullbacks, right? So you're not sitting so heavy still, right? Now we're watching for the 200 MA right here, looking for another bounce. Coming up. Right here. There's your stall. I'm in it, longing it. Stop's going to be just below those in case it does bleed out. There's a green trade. Nope, I want a little more. I'm willing to give up $100 if I have to off the trade. Letting it work. Didn't hold, shorting it. Come on, need a little. There it is, protecting the trade. At 150. Come on, need more. Another $50 trade. Wah, wah. It's looking for a bigger bleed out from this area, right? Technically, it's still at the 200 because it hasn't left this area, right? But I was like, well, if you're going to bleed, I'll take you down. So basically, they were both a wash. Lost one, made one, right? So kind of a wash right here. I was looking for a bigger bounce coming off this 200, but like I said, once I saw it bleed beyond it, that's where I flipped the script fast, right? See it? Take action. Still on the 200, longed it with a tighter stop. Again, same exact drill. Still looking for this to pop off this 200. Here we go. Come on. And again, doesn't hold. Guess what I'm going to do? All right, guess what? Same drill, right? Isn't the same thing? Look at it, though, stalling at this 200. Should be bouncing, and there goes the bounce. You sucker. Just had too tight of a stop, right? Am I right? Yep.
Yeah, buddy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again, if this can't hold, I'm going to short this to VWAP. But this is still the 200. This is where it'll screw you up, right? There it goes. There's your bounce. See, I tried that twice. I got stopped out twice. That was the move, but right up to the 9, right? That was a glorious move. I just had too tight of a stop. Am I right?
Coach, would you wait for the break of the 9 to go long here, or would you?
Yes.
Is that what you're waiting for?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah, and that was the only move I was looking for, was that bounce. This is now a downward momentum setup. So I'm looking to short. I'm not even looking for that to break the 9. I was just looking for the bounce to get my quick buck to the 9, right?
Right on. I see that.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep.
On the 1 minute, it's below the VWAP there.
Yep, I'm in it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the stop up a bit, just above the 9. It'll look like this. Same drill. Oh, and it ran. Now, those of you that were up on the top, right, you just want to collect because of where it bounced, yes? Because if it's going to use 200, we could run all the way, right? It treats it like VWAP. You know what I mean? How it like cuts it off and says, okay, well, then we're going to go the other way, right?
Right, and if it breaks VWAP here and holds, that's definitely a good sign that it's going to go all the way back to the top, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, for sure. Yep. Oh, that last one ran out of my buying power. No! There we go. There it is. That's nice. Big old gap to fill. Come on, get up there. That's nice. Nicey nice. Yeah, like I said, remember, it's going to look for VWAP or the 200, and then it's going to treat that as like the full rebound zone, right?
Right.
So we're back up to that danger area again. Previous day close 660.84. Same drill. Be careful here. Apple bounced off of 247.30. $0.30 away on SPY from going red to green. Right up in this junk again, though, right? I think it's going to try to push. There it goes. I was going to say, since it stalled right here, this spot on mine. There it goes. Get up there. I'll put my stop just below it then. I'm on push. Now what I'm looking, yeah, there it is. I was say what I'm looking for is up to these, right? I want to see it come right back up here. And there it goes. Just too tight of a stop. Nice, nice. So if you look at it, there's the top of your channel, there's the bottom of that channel, right?
Right. But for this thing to really go anywhere today, it's got to break this pre-market high.
Oh,
and
100%.
go to the upside, or it's got to break the 200 to the downside.
That's correct. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. There goes the pop. I was trying to trade off this channel, but it got the pop. Has it got any more? It's got a little bit more room to come up. Not a ton. 660, 136. We're up in the very tippy top. It is now trying to go red to green. Another resistance level, right? Right up on the ceiling. 2-minute EWO on Apple again. How we doing over there, Apple 2-minute EWO riders?
Doing good, Coach.
Thank you. All right, we're way up in the ceiling again here. We're all the way up, shorting it. There's 100. 125, 150. 160. Moved my stop too tight, but I'm still in the trade. Did you guys see me shorted on the tippy top again?
Coach, that's one of my favorite plays.
Yep.
I love that one.
I'm in it with you still, just with a few contracts is all.
I'll take it, 150 bucks. It's such a great trade, right?
I love the setup. I love how it comes up into that area and just, oh yeah, it's perfect.
And it's funny because
one of my favorites.
And the whole world is like longing, and we're like against the grain, making just printing,
Yeah.
right? Love it. Now it's staying up tall here. This time, notice it didn't immediately collapse. So this has buyer strength, yes? So I'm going to be careful here. I'm not in a trade. I got stopped out, made a quick 150. Looking to see what we're going to do here. Oh, we've still got buyers in here. There it goes. Did I save anybody on that one?
Yes, Coach.
Bounced off my goal line at 660.79, Coach.
There you go. Do you guys see how I said there were still buyers there, though, right? That because it didn't immediately collapse like it normally does, right?
Yeah, as soon as you said that, I got in it.
Oh, good, nice. Oh, wow.
For 375
Oh,
with one contract.
Oh,
Yes.
good job. Good job. Did you collect on the gamma candle?
I did.
Oh my gosh.
All right, Coco.
Oh my
Way to go, baby.
gosh.
Ding, 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 ding.
Yes.
Winner, chicken dinner.
Glorious. Now listen, we have now gone from red to green, right? So this is all upside momentum, right? Okay, great. Today's high, yep, it hit high a day. Now remember, because we're in new territory, look left. Everybody take your charts. I'm going to flip to let me flip this to a 15. Okay. Now I'm going to start looking left. Like, what am I looking for, right? What kind of danger could I be in coming up, right? What are my key areas? 660-227. While it's doing that, I need to manage this trade. It's up 162. Still climbing. Nice. 187. Splitting the difference of the candle.
Coming up on the 200 on the 15-minute, coach.
I see it. Yep, 663, right?
Yes, sir. That is the ceiling.
Yep. Here we go. Now notice what I'm doing with the candle. From where I bought to where it is. Do you see me cutting it in half?
Yes. Yeah.
That gives me a little bit of wiggle room, okay? And there it is, right? So I took my money, made about 150 bucks. Now, you can go small and go and have a looser stop. You can go larger and have a tighter stop. Like whatever your comfort level is to do the things, right? Yeah, I had this level marked as 662.27. So any major level you have too, right? You want to either take some off or scoot up, right? Scoot it up because you know most likely it's going to want to pull back there. Otherwise, if you're in a really good position, just let it work, okay? Good job. Who's making money on that, by the way, on that long?
I'm in it.
Nice job. Is that glorious or what?
It's definitely my best trade of the day so far.
Yes.
So it's we listen to you, we make money, boss. That's all there is to it.
Good job. You guys are crushing it. A little bit of a breathe back, 662.47. So I'm going to mark this, right? Because if it's going to use that as support, resistance, I need to know about it, right?
Yep.
Right.
And that right there is why we collect as we go as scalpers. We don't leave the full load in there, right? Just take some, take some, take some, take some, take some. You know what I mean? Or add, pullback, take some, right? So you can do a couple things. What does red to green mean? That means that SPY was down, right? It was down for the day. Look at your percentage. And now it is green for the day. So now the momentum has shifted from negative to positive, right? That is a red to green.
Shift change 2 minutes, coach.
Oh, thank you. Great call on that. Now, anybody that's watching live, do you understand why we create the best traders in the world? Is it starting to click yet? You're seeing things you've never seen before. Am I right or wrong? Let me know. Type in a 1 over there. I promise you've never seen anything like this in your life. I promise you haven't. I've been watching all of them. Nobody can do this. Appreciate you. Thank you.
Good eye, Michael.
Yeah, 662.47.
You're phenomenal, coach.
Thank you. You guys are doing a great job. Stay in there. Hang in there. Nice work. Now we're back in that soup again. Right back up on that ceiling where we used to be. So we're looking for a bounce here or a major pull. I don't trade this yet. You see how we're on the ceiling? I want to get out of this area. If this holds to the downside, I'll short it.
You're between the 9 and the 21 too.
That's right. Yeah, I want to see that break really below that 660.65.
Oh, yeah.
Huh.
So it's about to touch the 21. There we go. Let's see. Yep.
Yep. There we go. A minute.
15 seconds.
Oh,
yeah,
shift
15
change.
seconds. Be careful, coach.
Yep. I'm going to open the stop up then in case it like freaks out for 10 seconds, right? Typically, especially on a Friday, this could get really wonky here right now. Volume coming in. Protecting my trade. There it goes. There's $200. There's $300. Boom. Collected it at 150 bucks. I'll take it.
It's turned red, coach.
Thank you. Down to
today is
VWAP.
OPEX.
Thank you.
Today is OPEX Friday.
Thank you. Down to Friday, or down to Friday. We're below VWAP. Make sure you guys, right, we're hammering this, looking at this now to see if we can stay below VWAP. It's dancing on VWAP. Careful there. If it's going to bounce, it's going to be there, right? Still shorting it off the momentum. Still moving, protecting my trade. Free trade. I'll take another 50. Still looking to short below the VWAP here. Stays below VWAP. We're looking for the 200. Nice trade. Let it work. Help stall candle. Keep going. I've got my stop real tight when it stalls. Longing. I flip from a short to a long. Boom. Take another $100. Up to VWAP. If this stalls, I'll short. Shorting now. Protecting my trade. Green trade. Stay there. Stay. Nope, it didn't. Watching VWAP right here. Watching to see. Now I need to wait. This is going to be support for me now. We're sitting at VWAP. See what this is going to do. Waiting now. I'm using Webull. Believe it or not, I'm day trading out of Webull. Okay, this is still at VWAP. Trying to see if we're going to get an upward push or if we're still going to be shorting this. Longing it. There it goes. Protecting my trade. Okay, there's 100, there's 125, there's 150, there's 162, 187. Here we go. There's 200, 230. Keep going, splitting the difference. 225, 265, 250. There's 350, still moving it up. Now I'm going to make it nice and tight. This is where it would typically collapse. There's 360. See if we get a push. We get a push through, then I'll loosen the stop up above here. Nice. There's $400. Looking real good. 425. Sold.
Are you not entertained? Yeah, coach. Way to go, buddy.
Coach!
Thank you. Come again.
Thank you.
I need a cigarette and I was just watching.
Appreciate you. Thank you. Appreciate it. Appreciate you all for being here. Don't forget to tip your moderators on this amazing
I'm not
Friday.
entertained. I'm
Right.
edutained.
Thank you. Appreciate you all. Appreciate you.
Made 3% of my total account. Calling it a day.
Yes. Yes. Lock in those profits and be done.
Have a good weekend,
job.
guys.
Thank you.
You too.
Congratulations.
Nice work. Wow. That's what I like to hear right there, ladies and gentlemen. Am I right?
Yes, sir. All day.
Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. If you guys are entertained, do me a favor. Click that follow button. If you've learned anything today, click subscribe over there on TikTok. I appreciate all of my subscribers over on TikTok. Clickety click, do the things. You guys can subscribe. I believe it's like $5 a month to show support for all of the free work that we're doing over here. YouTube has super chats are available. We've got 3 super chats. Our goal is 10. It's $5 or more for the super chats. You get a call out, shout out. You want to recognize your business. You want to say thank you to somebody. There you go. Let's make it happen. Appreciate you.
Apple new high day.
Thank you. Apple. Yep, I see it. 6-star trade over there on Apple. How we doing, Apple 2-minute EWO riders?
Hanging in.
Thank you. Let me take a look and see what's going on over there in the apples. Hold on. Let's see what's crack-a-lackin'. Hold. Hold. Still looking. Hold. There it is. Sorry, I've got it grayed out on my system so that I'm not alerted like every... Wow, I'm getting a migraine off that sun from earlier. Ooh. Don't like that. Getting some sharp pains in the old eyeballs. That's not good. Wow. Yikes. Oh, Don't like that. Daddy no likey.
Coach,
Yikes.
look into that window film that you push a button and it do things.
Ah, you know what? That's why I got you here, because you're freaking genius. You understand me?
I know it. Thank you.
Yep, appreciate it. Yeah, with a little remote maybe.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That's the move,
Oof.
brother. You could go from it's adjustable like fully. You could do like a full-on mirror.
Yes.
Or black it out or clear it out where it looks just like it does now. It's a beautiful, beautiful technology.
Do you know what it's called or where I get it or?
Yeah. Just look up like electronic window film or auto darkening window film, something like that should bring it up. Let me see if I could get it up for you, Coach. Hold on.
Thank you, man.
The same principle of like showers.
Oh. Yeah,
Didn't your wife have it on the top of her Rivian, Coach, in her sunroof?
Yeah, that's no, that's Gen 2. She's got Gen 1.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
That's what that's what he's talking about.
Yeah, my these glasses, these AR glasses do that. These ones do that, right? Where it changes, that's electric. Yeah, it's got 3 settings, right, where I can change it from darker or not. Yeah, definitely. I'm going to have to do something. Wow, that's not good. I can't be doing that every day. That's the first time it's ever affected me like that. That like painful, like actually painful in my eyes.
Yeah, that's not good.
Oh my
As a
gosh.
photographer, I'm looking at the light on you. I'm like, there's no way that can be comfortable.
Good thing I knocked all these trees down.
Coach, if you want to do the windows, it's called smart glass or switchable glass.
Okay.
Switchable film, yeah.
PDLC. PDLC, polymer dispersed liquid crystal.
Oh, okay. Let me see what we got. You guys are awesome. Yeah, I see it. PDLC smart film. Switchable. All right, awesome. Let me see what this is going to entail. Yeah, I'm definitely going to do something here. So
Gonna entail cash.
Yeah, that I'm not worried about. We make enough of that here. You know what I'm saying? We ain't worried about that.
One or two trades is paid for.
Yeah, exactly. The trade this morning at about the whole damn thing, just one trade, right? Click.
Just let us know how much it is, Coach. We'll all chip in, and we owe you. We got you.
I appreciate you guys. Oh, my eyeballs. Oh my eyes are burning.
I'm melting.
Yeah.
I'm melting.
Oh. Heaven help us all. Heaven help us all.
I love this place.
Oh.
You can't have fun while you're doing it, huh, Coach?
That's exactly. Speaking of having fun, who wants to sign up for my mentorship program? You guys can get 20 hours, which is basically twice a month, or 50 hours, which is once a week training directly with me. That'd be great. Had another session with my mentoree yesterday. He is absolutely crushing the game in here. I mean, destroying it. Yeah, we've set out. We have some lofty goals. Let's put it that way. I don't know if I can say it. I don't want to say it out loud in case it's confidential information, but we have some very good lofty goals for him. Derek, are you in here?
Always.
Is it okay if I say what our first lofty goal is per year for you?
Go for it.
25 million is what we're looking for. That's our first. Yep.
Holy crap.
That's our first goal.
You can do it.
Yep. That's our first goal. Yep.
Rip it up, dude.
Yep. Derek, since they don't know your last name or anything, would it be okay if I told them how much you lost before you saw me?
Go for it.
So Derek was down about $1.5 million before we started working together.
Is that all?
Yep. Right? Derek, how we doing now? Have you turned the corner? Are you making money now?
Absolutely.
Appreciate you.
About 300 last week.
300,000 last week. You like that?
You said 300K last week, Coach?
Yeah, last week for him. Yep.
Nice work.
Yep.
If only there were one place.
Right. So when you guys are like,
Room full of savages.
Hold on. Sorry, I think there it goes. I was gonna say I killed my mic. The funny thing is, right, when you guys like, it's so expensive, but look at the return on value. You know what I mean? He paid $100,000 to work with me for a year, and he made 300,000 last week. Is it worth it?
That's it.
Do you understand what I'm saying, though?
No brainer.
Yep.
No brainer.
Yep.
You don't charge
The
enough.
proof pudding.
I know. I don't charge enough, but I'm just doing it for the first couple of people. Oh, nice job. Yes. But I'm just doing it for the first couple of people. That way I can charge what I really want next year, right? How do you sign up? Go to American Dream Trading. That's our website. Yes, I do have payment plans. Absolutely. Absolutely. And if you guys want a mentorship, I can set you up with a payment plan for that too. I'm telling you, get it. Get it while you can. I can't do a ton of those. I don't have time in the day, and I'm not spending 24 hours to do it. Oh, I can say his name? Chicken Nuggy, where are you at? Chicken Nuggy. If you guys want a payment plan, by the way, just in the Traders Lounge, just say hey, or open up a help desk ticket. Remember, we will never reach out to you. We will never friend request or send you a direct message. You either can only work with us through our own help desk, which there's a link on here. Otherwise, we're not talking to you ever, right? How to follow? Go to American Dream Trading. That's our website. Yes, that's amazing. Chicken. Oh, he's in our. Okay. Chicken Nuggies over in our futures group is now up $12,452.
Go chicken nugget.
Yes.
Woo!
Yes.
You can get a whole lot of nuggets with that, baby.
American
Yeah,
Dream.
man.
Yes. They said
Way to
American.
go.
They said American Dream what? American Dream Trading. That's our website. American Dream Trading. We don't need to say the .com and all that stuff, by the way, Mark. If they can't figure out to go to American Dream Trading, I doubt we can help them become the next millionaire. Am I right?
Is that on the www also?
Right. Is that .org, .biz, .edu, .cu, .uk, .what?
Your mama.
Your mama.
By the way, spy in your heart. Look at that spy.
Yep, I see it.
So what's the first one that they're naturally going to try?
Exactly.
Yo mama.
JoeMama.edu.
You need your bath because I'm gonna have to go to work.
Right.
Go naked trader.
Okay, hold on.
COM.
All right, where are your kids at? Because you need to hide them now. Coach has got something funny to talk about, and it's not child appropriate. Turn off your radios. Is anybody watching these hilarious AI videos with like Mr. Rogers and Tupac?
I haven't seen that one yet.
Yes, boss, I see him.
Oh my God, Mr. Rogers and
Oh my, and Tupac.
oh my God.
Oh my.
You didn't know Mr. Rogers was a gangster?
Oh my gosh.
I've
That
seen
I
both.
knew.
I've seen both of them.
He was the
Did you
original
say
gangster.
Easy E too?
Yes, they're so good. There's nothing better than Mr. Rogers. Okay, your kids are all out of the room, right?
Are they shorts, Coach?
All right, yeah, hold on. Are all the kids out of the room? There's nothing better than watching Mr. Rogers talking to Tupac. What did he say? He said, Bofa. He said, hey, neighbor, how about Bofa? And Tupac's like, Bofa what? How about both of these nuts dragging across your chin?
Love it.
Both of these nuts.
Or Wendy's using that on the golf course today.
Oh.
Somebody's getting a bofa.
Bofa. Oh, it's so good. We used to always use. Now we used to always Famunda. Famunda these nuts.
A dirty morning. I'm gonna go take a shower.
Sorry.
Oh my
Okay.
God.
All right. You can bring.
That's from under cheese.
Yes, you can bring the kids in now. I apologize. Sorry, I had to say it. It's over now. It's all over. Back to our family broadcasting.
Apple to the upside. Yeehaw.
Yes, Apple
And
blasting.
Spy.
Same with Spy.
This
Yes.
is beautiful. The most beautiful trade today. Right? Look at that thing.
Yes. Yes.
I'm in it.
Now remember, it broke 660, 250, right? That was the double top, and it broke, so you hammered it, right?
Oh, 100% hammer that thing.
But
Good.
I got out too early and
That's
but
okay.
for another
No, that's okay.
$95.
Listen, you've been crushing it, right? You've been locking them in,
Yeah.
so you're good. You can't get
I
it
just
all.
get scared.
Yeah, you can't get it all. Now listen, when that happens, hold on, let me
I'm
mute these
still in
mics.
it, so I cannot tell you.
Coco, when that happens, right, just go smaller so you can stay in longer.
I only had one contract.
Oh, I got you. Are you trading Spy with one contract?
Yes.
I got you. Why don't you look at like SPXU or SPXL?
Okay.
Yeah, then you could do more, right?
Yes.
You said you were trading ES, right, Coco? ES?
Uh-huh. Yes, mini.
Oh, if you're trading ES, then do MES.
Oh, MES. Okay.
Yeah, so here, it'll look like this. It's identical, right? You're just going to be able to do more contracts, though, which also means you can, right?
Shed.
Yeah, so instead of 1, you can do 10 is equivalent to 1 mini, right? And then you can shed.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
Does that make
That's
sense?
smart. That's what I should have done.
Yeah, you're all right.
Hey, Coach, what was the other one? SPXU and what?
SPXL.
Thank you.
Yeah, SPXU is the inverse, and then SPXL is actually going with it. And those are 3 times, I think.
Good to know.
Yep. Good job. Do all the memberships include learning this EWO strategy? Yes, they do. Yeah, we talk about it all the time. You guys can ask any questions you want over here, right? That's the beauty of doing what we do. Now, the 2-minute EWO, channel that's dedicated to that's all they do, that's a VIP gold or diamond membership. But can you learn about it? Yeah, absolutely. It's just that is all they are focused on. They don't make a single other trade other than doing that. And just so you know, using my strategy that I have designed and developed after doing this for 33 years, David does it every day. David has not had a red has not had a red day in over a year, and he actively trades every single day. And he's closing in on $1 million using my strategy. And that you can come with receipts because he posts that every single day. Have you guys ever heard of anybody being that consistent? Have you ever in your lives heard of an edge, right? Because that's all people want to talk about is the edge. Have you ever heard of an edge that I've created where it's gotten somebody over a year straight of profits every single day?
Amazing.
I've never heard of another strategy. No open range breakout, no ICT stuff, no nothing has ever done that before. Am I right?
100%.
Yep.
He's good for
world
following
record, I
rules.
say.
There you go. And he posts it daily. It's live. It's every day. Full receipts. So normally I have to say, well, I can't. Nobody's showing me broker. He posts it. It's live every day. He shows you every trade he enters, every trade he gets out, how many exactly he bought, what was the exact time he entered, what was the exact time he got out, and then he posts his P&L for the day. Every single day. That's our training moderator, David. By the way, was not a day trader before us. Trained right here. Getting it done. Or I think he did some trading. I don't know if it was day trade or not, but definitely not consistent like that, obviously. And 30 cents. Thank you, Mark.
You say you used to do a swing trade, coach, before.
Yeah, swing trader. Yep. That's how our other training moderator Mark was too, right? More of a swing trader. So they had a group. Yeah, they had a group where they talk about potential stocks that are moving, right? Not day trading. By the way, you guys can watch Mark's development and growth. I can't tell you how much he's at now, but if you go on our YouTube channel, you will see how we created one of our latest millionaires and our training moderator that you guys will get to see in action every single day, live 2 to 4 o'clock. Now considered one of the best traders in the world. Thank you. Oh, I didn't realize this was a micro. I was like, how come this isn't moving? Coco, are you doing the micros? Okay, good. Glad to hear it. Glad that's working out. Reminder, I'm not going to be here next Thursday or Friday. Taking my wife to New York for her birthday. She loves New York. We're going to go see a play. We're going to go hang out with Keanu Reeves. Anybody know Keanu Reeves? Everybody know him? We're going to go hang out with him. How's that sound? Yes.
He's such a nice guy.
Yep.
Yeah,
I
that
want
was
to
a
behold the
beast, and I
story when he come back.
I can't believe these Tupac and Rogers videos, Coach.
Oh, tell me they're not the
They're
best.
so realistic.
They are, right? Isn't it? How about Mr. Rogers? He's writing the song for him, right?
I know.
He's like, well, this is how I would say it.
He's like, Tupac is like, Mr. Rogers going hard.
Yeah, that's awesome. Oh, I love it. Sometimes I'm a little gaseous, neighbors. There's some good stuff, man. The AI stuff is just amazing.
Do you like Wendy's, Coach?
Yeah, Wendy's. Wendy's. See, now I can't say it because we already had the adult hour earlier. You know what I'm saying?
I know.
Oh, my gosh. I love your face. I forgot about the Wendy's.
Coach. Earmuffs.
Yeah, earmuffs. I forgot about the Wendy's one. You like Wendy's? Wendy's nuts are on your chin. Oh.
You guys check out the Bob Ross ones too.
Oh, yeah, exactly. Oh my gosh, those are good too. Yeah, the AI stuff is amazing. Absolutely. All right, listen, it's 10:23. Okay, here we go. Listen, let's move on to the next segment of our show. Let's go watch some YouTube videos together. Hold on a minute. I want to see. Let's see how many comments we're getting on our videos, how much action is happening on our videos. Let me flip this over. 1 second. There we go. There it is. Hold on, Zoom. Let me optimize this for video sharing. There it is. All right, can you guys see it? Everybody, everywhere, type in a 1 if you can see our YouTube channel. Thank you. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, we just crossed over 3,000 videos at American Dream Trading on our YouTube channel. How amazing is that?
That's a lot of videos.
Isn't it?
Coach, I binge watch those things through my day when I'm done trading. So I really like them.
Thank you. I appreciate that. And you know what's even funnier? I removed over 1,500 videos from that channel. It was all just everybody in the room making literally millions of dollars. I deleted every one of them, and we just went into full-blown training and which probably hindsight probably wasn't a great idea, but I didn't want our channel to solely be focused on, wins and losses. It needed to be on training and education, right? So I removed 1,500 videos, and we still are at 3,000 videos here. That's crazy. All right, let's take a peek. Here we go. Last video. How I caught the perfect SPY trade and avoided the trap. Ooh, good words. Good words. That video has only got 316 views. How's that possible? That's crazy. Let's see how many comments we have. Remember how I ask you guys to leave comments every day? Let's see.
It's missing some zeros.
So here we are. It really is. Let's see how many comments. 17 comments. Okay, that's good. Much better. Dawn, I see you snuck in the buzzer beater an hour ago. Smart. Nice. Okay, we got some good comments in here. Good stuff. Good stuff. Okay, let's look at the next video. Trade the levels. TikTok market crash gurus are wrong. Here's the real move. Ooh. So yesterday's SPY, you can clearly... Let's see what we got. 10 comments. Okay, not too bad. How many thumbs up? 15. Okay. People are watching. Please see the 627 area. By the way, right here, right? All of this is out here. This is ridiculous how much training and education. Look at how good quality this video is too, right? Favorite trades in the business. Come on.
Double bottoms, double tops.
There you go. So would this or would this not have
Thanks,
played
Coach, for all the
nicely?
amazing work y'all do. For real. Just wanted to say that. I know we say it every day, but it should be said every day. Thank y'all.
Appreciate
everybody.
Yeah, we work our butts off for this stuff, right? Don't sell yet. Look at all these. This is the only thing that stinks. Look at the work that we put into these videos, and they're getting 200 to 300 views. Does everybody see that? Look at how to read the market like a book. 200 views. Are you serious? Exactly to the penny. What to do, when to do it, why to do it. Thank you. Here's support again. 620.50. Remember, it's support because that was previous day close. You master scalpers like Palm and everybody else in the room, right? That's where we can buy longs on the short, on support, I'm sorry, and puts on resistance.
Yeah. Selling them right now.
Yep. Yeah, that's strength right here to the upside. If and only if you get this engulfing candle closing above 621, look for that move to go back up. Everybody hear the sound of my voice. There it goes. 3 seconds. 2, 1. Get a closer on that. Look for a climb to the upside. Right on the 21. Breaks the 21. I'm in it long. Look at these videos we have out here. Why are you guys not watching these in your spare time? These are crazy videos, right?
Incredible, Coach.
I do.
Thank you.
Now, my daughter said there should be more animation because it attract her and her friends.
Yeah, well, what I was just going to say is, media team, if you're in here, I mean, this is me just watching videos because obviously I need to be doing this. You guys are not cutting out the pauses, which you're supposed to have been. So we're going to have a meeting today as soon as I get done because this is not how they're supposed to have been. Let me watch another one. Somebody's head is going to roll if I see this again.
Coach is cracking
Everybody
skulls.
in the room ready for a
I don't
trading
do
moment?
it.
Yeah,
Just remember Coach, where SPY is at the top of the trading channel indicators.
Which one is that, a month ago? Because we remember we implement. Yeah, we went back and reviewed. We talked about the silences, but a month back might have.
Well, here, let's do this. Let me watch one now. Hold on. So here we are now. So now,
recent.
I'm gonna watch. This is the last video we released. 642.
Yeah, Coach, don't go all Katie Porter on
Heading
us.
up to that 642.80. Here it is, 642.80.
That's
Now
how
we're
we do
back
there, Ted.
up. Now on a double top.
You're in my shot.
Everybody be cool up
Yeah,
here.
right.
This is a double top
Get
situation.
the F- I told
you about that. What's my favorite trade?
Double top, double bottom.
Hold on a
If you're
second. Looking to long that, right? I'm going to mark it here now. This would be more of my A+ setup. There it goes. This is what I'm looking at. So we've got a little bit of wiggle room here, this double top area, to see if we can break through. Just so you guys know, right? I've been doing YouTube videos for I don't know, 15, 16 years, right? This is all I used to do was actually video edit and all the things, right? For my technology channel before there was such a thing as American Dream Trading.
43. If
There
you guys
can be no pauses, no breaks, none of that in a video ever. People do not have the attention span for breaks. You can't even take a breath on a video.
back in time
I don't know if
here,
you guys realize that.
you can see all of this, right? I'd love to see this break the 643, because then we'll have a nice gap up to around 643.30, moving to 643.60, so on and so forth, right?
Right here.
We want to get around the 643. And it's a whole number, right? We don't want to be messing around in that. So everybody be cool. We're still up here in this double top area, right?
I'm going to be cracking skulls. Yep. As soon as we get done.
And there goes Spy. Whose bootay did I save?
Mine. Thanks, Coach.
Hold on. I have to let this play for a second.
Oh, that's awesome. And again, though, right? Doesn't our mind?
It's okay to have flexion
like,
pauses,
but it looks so good.
but
This
just
time it's gonna go.
pauses,
This is the move.
like,
and then you're like, oh shoot.
can't
right?
have that in a video.
I get tempted to when it breaks the double top, but I don't.
Does
get a
everybody
reading
realize that?
above.
Right. I'll see the wick.
Coach,
We're
speaking
human.
of
Now,
the
remember?
attention spans, like how much are you pushing like your shorts and stuff like that?
A lot.
Okay, I was gonna say that's where a lot like people have the attention span less than a goldfish nowadays.
Here, watch. Let me show you. We release. Look
Shorts are about 70% of your viewership.
Yep, they are. They don't lock you into anything. They'll get you subscribers, but I mean, yeah, this is it. So check it out.
Apple's still climbing.
Yeah, Apple's about to make new high a day. Yep, there it is. Apple, new high a day. Where are all my 2-minute EWO riders?
Runners at 69%.
Oh my gosh. How much are you up so far, David?
Well, so we had that little bit of a pullback, and I still had runners, so now I'm still back about just under 4,000.
Yeah, just $4,000. It's been 1 hour. You realize David's made $4,000, close to now.
See, our shorts are on point. Did you see how there's no pause, no breaks? It's all animation, move fast,
Johnny
shiny
says,
quarter,
"I've learned that
right?
calls on a double top is a no-no." Oh, I love that.
Sometimes you learn the hard way.
Yeah, Coach, I'm a
Been there, done that.
goldfish. I
Yeah,
like
sometimes
those.
you might learn it more than once. Apple staying above that 221.82. Oh, NASDAQ getting a nice pop here. I'm still trying to wait for this to break out of this 678 range, and then I want to hammer this. Previous day high on NQ was 23.6. I better mark that. 6.
Oh yeah, absolutely, sir. Even that half a second here and there makes it
Okay.
so much nicer.
And right there, all of that was wrong. That whole segment was a video editing nightmare, not correct at all. Can anybody tell me why? And I don't know how this is slipping through the tracks when I've got 17 freaking media people all staring at these videos every day. But I'm telling you right now, Daddy's not happy, and Daddy is coming home. As soon as I get offline, we're having an emergency meeting, and I am not happy, and heads are rolling.
NASDAQ still
I
climbing.
spend
Same
way
with
too
mine.
much money,
By
time,
the
and
way,
crap
who's
for this.
in this beautiful trade over?
This is nuts. What is this video? What video was that?
Johnny
Rookie
says, "I've learned that
mistakes.
calls."
Was that the rookie mistakes? Right here. I want you guys to watch this. It's 1 minute. I want all of you to go, that's dead air. That shouldn't exist in a 60-second clip. Everybody in the room, I want you to tell me when.
Johnny says, "I've learned that calls on a double top is a no-no." Oh, I love that.
Sometimes you learn the hard way.
Yes.
Been there, done that.
Yes, sometimes you might learn it more than once. Apple staying above that 221.82. Oh, NASDAQ getting a nice pop here. I'm still trying to wait for this to break out of the 678 range, and then I want to hammer this. Previous day high on NQ was 23.6. I better mark that. 671.
What's
previous
this?
day.
What
Right
is
there.
this?
Okay. NASDAQ
What
still
was
climbing.
that?
Same with SPY.
Yeah.
By the way,
What
who's
is that?
in this?
What is that? You guys realize, and I know it's funny, you're like, wow, that can't. those silly, lazy edits like that, where we leave stuff in, this is where we lose people in the video. Do you guys all understand that? You guys all know this is a TikTok world. Wouldn't you guys have turned away? And I'm like, 6, 2, 7, gone. I'm out of here, right? Am I right or wrong? Anybody in the room?
Yes, sir.
I wouldn't have, but I'm into it.
Yeah.
But a newcomer, somebody else just
Yeah, there's
looking
no
at
way.
you for the first time, yeah,
Yes.
probably.
Yeah, if this was the first time, and I never get them back, right?
This beautiful trade over here. This thing is just a rocket. I'm up another 1,000 right there. Yep, I'm taking it right here because we are up.
I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm gonna watch one more. I'm telling you, if I catch this again, and I've been hammering my media team. I'm telling you right now, I'm gonna watch one more. I'm gonna freak out.
It's crazy.
Look exactly where it turned around too, Coach, on that goal level.
Yep, absolutely. Yep. Yeah, I've got.
By the way, as your boss, when I'm your boss, I don't micromanage you at all, but I expect greatness daily. You know what I'm saying? I never micromanage my team, and if they tell me we're all over it, everything is great, it better be, or heads will roll. That's the difference. I don't micromanage you, but if you can't do your shit that I pay you for and more than asked for, you're gone.
3570 marked from previous. Yep.
Gone.
Nice job.
You mean
And didn't
heads
you and I
would
discuss
crack?
that this morning?
I'm not kidding.
We
You
sure
guys
did.
think I'm
That's why I
playing.
said I had to
do
mark the
not
goal
play
level.
that
It hit
game.
that goal level and turned right around.
Yep. And look at earlier where it started to consolidate at exactly 954, right at that level, right?
Yep, I'm looking at it now. Yep.
Everybody look at it, right?
It makes you feel good that you know your charting is working.
Yeah, absolutely. And
no, it doesn't need to be for the meeting, Dean, because number one, everybody in this room is supposed to be watching these videos. Number two, I'm exposing you guys to watching our videos. And number three, if you guys were actually here to get trained up, you would want to see said videos. So no, this isn't part of the meeting. This is a part of, I've been telling everybody and all of my members, go watch the videos. Go leave a comment. Let me know what we need to do. We opened up a specific channel that says, what's the name of the channel that you're all supposed to be in there helping me and reviewing and looking at, and
YouTube reviews.
there it is.
YouTube reviews.
Thank you. Yep, right here. YouTube reviews. I don't see any of this in here, right? It's more eyeballs on the same thing. I mean, it took me less than 3 minutes to identify a problem. I shouldn't have to be doing that. What do I have a whole team for?
It's the YouTube reviews coming right at you.
It's crazy. Anyways, I'll be cracking skulls later. All right. Let me flip the script 1 second. Anyways, everybody, you should be going over there and watching. Leaving a comment.
Coach, I'll jump back in and help some more because I haven't been doing it since I've been back in the Zoom full time, but I'll help.
That's all right.
I'll get back in there.
Yeah, that's
I know what my homework is for the weekend, Coach. Got you, buddy.
Appreciate you. Thank you. So
I have a question that and again, I'm more old school, but is there a difference between longer videos? Because to me, I don't stop with the little, I listen to the whole thing.
Yep.
Is there a difference on these shorts versus a longer one?
Yes. Yep. Yeah. The attention span's under 1 minute, and the longs
Gotcha.
but the longs. So the way that it works is because everybody's in these shorts world, right? We'll get a lot of subscribers and view count, but they don't stick around. That's not where you keep people. That's where you get the ego, like, oh, I got 70 million subscribers. That's coming out of this garbage. Where you actually get people that are invested is the longs, right? The longs are where they're like, okay, I saw a short. That makes sense. Who is this guy? What is this training? Clicks the YouTube actual channel. Oh, they got training videos, long training videos. Then they get into the longs. That's why these videos have to be exactly right, because we are feeding all of the algorithms to get to said videos to get to me. So at the end of the day is, if the videos aren't perfect, marketing is trash, right? That's why I
So
hire.
you're saying the shorts are the teasers to
Yes.
get people to invest for the
100%.
longs.
100%. The shorts
Got
are
it. That makes sense.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Yeah, the shorts are like, who is this person? Hey, I've seen 16 of these damn things now. Maybe I'll go check them out. And then, oh, now I can learn how to make millions, right?
Coach, is there a way to link so you have the short, but where did that short come from? Like what video is that, or a way to do that? Because sometimes I'll be like, oh, this is a cool short, I want to learn more.
Yep.
And so I'll like search for, okay, what led up to that, or is there more to it? I don't know if that's you guys can do that.
Yeah, well,
That's a really good point.
We use what's called Microsoft Clarity off of our own homepage, but it doesn't do anything through YouTube, doesn't have like that. But what we do have is we have playlists. So here's what I would recommend. Like everybody, we had somebody ask today. We literally had somebody ask today, do you train on the 2-minute EWO? You guys realize if you go to my YouTube channel and you go to playlists, if you go to 2-minute EWO, there are tons of videos to train you on that. You want to scalp? Tons of videos. You want to do covered calls? Tons of videos. Oh, wheel option strategies? Tons of videos. It's in the playlist, right? You click one and it'll run you through all of them to learn everything. Did everybody in here know that?
I've shared playlists on the aftermarket.
Yep.
We've done that.
Yep.
So yeah.
Very
No
good.
excuse.
Yeah, in the WAP, I've seen gobs of nice videos.
Yep.
Well, I just learned something about shorts. That's very interesting.
Yep,
I just copy the link that gets you to the church in the Zoom chat. Somebody can click on it and let me know if it goes to the channel and directly to that church.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, it did.
Yes,
Yeah,
I
so
did.
I think that's the question that the person asked earlier. So that would be a way that we can share. Like if somebody sees something very interesting, then you can share it to anybody, like to a friend, oh, look, I've been learning. This is an excellent coach. It's amazing. Take a look at this. And that short can then convert to what the coach wants to watch the full content of videos that he has.
Yep, thank you.
Yep.
And also to reiterate what you said on YouTube, if you click on a specific item like support and resistance,
yep,
it's a ton of videos on support and resistance. You'll be educated on that and on other things too. So thank you for that.
Yeah, awesome. Thank you. I appreciate that. Appreciate you. It's 10:43. It is Friday. Real quick, did anybody make any money today?
Yes, sir.
Making it right now, Coach.
Yes.
Yes, we did.
And a bounce off the 200.
Yes, good call on that 200. Yeah, nice work.
Yeah, nice morning. Thanks.
Yes, good job. Appreciate you. If you guys want to join us again, American Dream Trading is our website. Right? Come on over. Get signed up. Diamond lifetime memberships are on sale. I'm losing my voice. I'm going to do a flash sale right now for the next 15 minutes. Diamond lifetime memberships, 4K. Bruno, can you set that up? Thank you. Don't forget, we do payments, multiple cards, whatever you need to do. We'll do a flash sale now. Diamond lifetime memberships. That includes all of our membership services. Right now on Friday, 4K. Let's make it happen. If you guys want it, just let us know. We're going to post it in the Traders Lounge. Good luck getting those. We'll do it for the next 15 minutes only. Appreciate you. Love your faces. Listen, I'm going to take off. I'm literally losing my voice, and I'm getting a freaking migraine from the sun is blinding me.
Hey, Coach.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hey, run to Lowe's and get one of those 4 foot by 8 foot pieces of insulation. You know, they're like, I don't know, 10, 20 bucks, whatever. And just cut however much shade you want and throw it up in that hole.
Yeah, well, the problem is this This whole thing, the room I'm in is all windows. It's like I'm in an
Oh, dang.
Yeah, it's like I'm in an atrium. Seriously, this whole room is windows. It's a giant sunroom, right?
Like staring at you, it looks like sun is literally blasting
It is.
At you right now.
Yeah.
I mean, I thought you bought a new light for the camera for the audience. I mean, I was.
Yeah, you look really bright. Yeah, you could tell
Y'all don't
sunlight
see
is
that
just like
giant window
blasting.
pane on his face.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, see it? Yeah.
Well, it wasn't there earlier.
Yeah. It's and the issue is before it was only coming in about noon to 1, so that was no big deal, but now this is nuts. All morning it's just been wrecking my soul. How do I set up a payment plan? Go over to our Traders Lounge on our Discord. Say I need help setting up a payment plan. We'll get you all squared away. Right there, Spudsy17, Bruno in the Traders Lounge says he wants to upgrade to Diamond right there. Done. Locked you in. We got you. Good to have you over here, Spudsy. Can't wait to work with you more and more and more. Remember, you guys are going to get tons of training. I'm sorry, are you in here? Excuse me. John, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Good morning, Coach.
Morning.
Can you hear me?
Yep, go ahead.
Hey, I've got a problem I need some advice on. I know we've probably all done this at one time or another, but I thought this morning I was buying SPY contracts, 5 contracts, and in my queue was AMZY, which is where I was checking prices on some Yield Max stuff earlier. I accidentally bought 5 contracts of that.
Uh-huh.
It was $1,900. The contracts were $380. If you look at the stock price, it's like $13.72, and the bid on the stock is $13.71. I realized I made a mistake immediately. I tried to go back and sell it just to get it, get it out of my.
And you couldn't, right?
Well, no, I can sell it, but the bid on the options is a nickel.
Yeah, never go by the bid. Always go by the mid. And if it gets under 5 cents and under, you can never sell them.
But it's the same day expiration. I immediately went 1,500 in the hole, and it has not moved all day.
Yeah, if
that's just going to expire on me.
Yes, it will. And if it's under 5 cents, you will not be able to sell them at all.
Well, it's right at a nickel now.
Yep. Then
but it has not moved all day. I just lick my wounds and move on.
Yeah, there's no buyers. I mean, all you can do is do a market order so that if a buyer comes in, they will take it at any price is about the best you can do. Or, or look for a rebound later today and try to move them, right?
Okay.
Yeah, anything under a nickel cannot be sold. This is why I tell all of you never buy anything under 10 cents, right? Everybody in the room?
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, it's just, I primarily scout SPY all day, and that's just my mistake.
I got you, partner.
It's always in the queue, so I buy and sell, and
yep, I got
just
you.
messed up. So
I got you.
Lesson learned.
Yep, it happens. That's all right.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, partner.
Appreciate it.
Yep.
Thank you, Coach.
No worries. Spudsy, don't worry. We got you locked in on that. So don't worry about the time expiring because we already know, right, that you want one. Anybody else that wants the Diamond Lifetime membership, you must say it now. Either raise your hand, say it verbally so somebody will grab you, put it in any of your lounges as long as it's there before noon, right?
What's the payment plan option?
You can do 2 payments of $2,000 each. How's that? One today and one in 30 days. There you go.
Okay. Thank you.
You got it.
What a deal.
Yeah, that's ridiculously stupid deal.
Yeah,
So
that's an understatement.
yeah, it's dumb. So just take it. Don't even ask. Just run to your bank and do the things and all the stuff. or just buy a VIP membership, that's $5,000. And then buy the gold, that's $5,000. Then buy the futures, that's $5,000. Then buy the futures VIP, that's $5,000. Then buy the futures VIP gold, that's 5,000. Then buy the crypto, that's 5,000. Then buy the, you understand? Okay, great. All right, listen, I'm out of here. Love your
Hey,
faces.
Coach.
Yeah, tell me.
Can you rearrange the furniture in your office there and maybe face yourself away from the sun?
I can, but the whole purpose of the room was for me to look out into the, because I've got such a beautiful scene here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
You know, you can always
Plant a
turn around and
tree.
look at it.
Yeah.
Have you tried when it's night and the sun's not hot? Have you tried shifting the sun?
That's what yeah. Have you tried
Plant a tree.
tilting the axle of the earth?
I mean, hell, we could just move to the Philippines, and trade at 8 o'clock at night.
Yeah, that's nice.
Just call Elon, tell him move one of his satellites in front of it.
That's true.
Yeah, absolutely. Yep, for sure.
Coach, tell the tree people that you need them to replant the tree again.
Yeah, we're gonna need you to create some sort of canopy just in this segment, only at this time frame, and then take that back down every day, so I can see it
You
all.
tried seeding the clouds up in the sky there, Coach?
Yeah, seeding the clouds, exactly.
About that tree.
Nice job. One of our members this morning, whose name shall not be mentioned, is up $408,350.20.
Hoorah!
Nice job. Anybody else? Would you like to make $400,000 this morning?
It's possible.
Yes,
I bet I see it in the profit and loss.
Yes. Nice job, everybody. Listen, appreciate you. Love your faces. I'm out of here. I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, Mountain Man, Juan, James, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. By the way, our media team, Mountain Man, Juan, and James, TikTok mods, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. Appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. You guys are absolutely amazing. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. We appreciate and honor you every single day. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Appreciate you. Yeah, I'm going to look at not electric shades, but I'm going to look at either the electric film, right? So I can hit a button. We'll see what that does. I don't know. I'm going to look into something, though, because I am not doing this every day. All right. Love your faces. Moderators, you have control of the board. Everybody have a blessed weekend. God bless. I'm out. See you.